To program a new therapy, navigate to the home screen. Then scroll to and tap the Add Therapy button. Tap the Ramp Therapy option to customize a new ramp therapy. For instructions on programming a program therapy, see the Program Therapy video. The generator is designed to offer breaks in the therapy session. These pauses are designated to clear secretions. The number of pauses and their duration can be customized to each therapy. Utilizing the Auto Pause setting will add a pause at the end of each completed cycle. To adjust the pauses, use the plus and minus buttons going from 0 to 5 to customize the number of pauses in therapy. A custom selected number of pauses will be evenly spaced out throughout the program duration based on the number selected, without regard to the cycles. Tap the plus and minus buttons to the right and the left of the time display to adjust the duration of the cough pauses. They are adjusted in increments of 15 seconds, from 15 seconds to 5 minutes in duration. Or select Hold to pause therapy until the Start button is manually tapped to resume. After adjusting the pause selections, tap the next arrow to advance to the cycle selection. Tap the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the number of cycles in the ramp therapy. Adjust from 1 to 6 cycles. After adjusting the number of cycles, tap the next arrow to advance to the time selection. Tap the plus and minus buttons to the right and left of the time to increase or decrease the duration of the therapy. Time can be adjusted in increments of 30 seconds from 1 minute to 60 minutes. After adjusting the therapy duration, tap the next arrow to advance to the From settings. The From setting will determine what frequency and pressure setting the therapy will begin ramping. Adjust the From frequency by tapping on the plus and minus buttons to the left or right of the frequency display. Frequency can be adjusted in 1 Hz increments from 5 to 20 Hz. Adjust the From pressure by tapping on the plus and minus buttons to the left or right of the pressure display. Pressure can be adjusted in increments of 5% from 10 to 100%. After adjusting the From settings, tap the next arrow to advance to the To settings. The To setting will determine what frequency and pressure setting the therapy will reach during ramping. Adjust the To frequency by tapping on the plus and minus buttons to the left or right of the frequency display. Frequency can be adjusted in 1 Hz increments from 5 to 20 Hz. Adjust the To pressure by tapping on the plus and minus buttons to the left or right of the pressure display. Pressure can be adjusted in increments of 5% from 10 to 100%. After adjusting the To settings, tap the Done button to advance. Select a therapy label from the Good Day, Bad Day, or No Label selections to associate with this program therapy. A Good Day therapy is selected for days when a patient is feeling well and utilizing their SmartVest therapy for routine lung health therapy. A Bad Day therapy is for days when a patient is feeling more congested and needs to utilize a more robust therapy selection. After all ramp therapy selections are made, the summary screen will show the entered therapy settings. Press anywhere on the gray pause, cycles, time, from, or to boxes to edit the selected settings. To cancel the creation of the ramp therapy, tap the X in the top left corner of the screen, or tap Save in the top right corner to save the new therapy.